Angle side relationship theorem. Okay, state that if one angle is larger than the other angles, okay, then the side opposite the larger angle is the longer side. Okay, at tinutukoy naman dito anak, ang binigay dito ay measurement ng angle. Kapag na-identify na natin anak yung larger angle, automatic yung opposite nun will be the longest side. Okay, let us try an example. Okay, what do you think is the name of the given triangle? Based on the measurement anak ng angle. Triangle BCA because 45, 60, and 75. Okay, using this triangle, okay, identify first what is the larger angle. Peralta. Okay, now, if angle A is the larger angle, Milan, what is the longest side? What is the opposite of angle A? Okay, segment BC. So, if angle A is the larger angle, automatic the longest side will be segment BC. Do you understand? Oh, what's next? After angle A? Angle C. And what is the opposite of angle C? Segment AB. And what is the smallest angle? Periabras? Angle B. If angle B is the smallest angle, what is the shortest side? Madahe. Segment AC. Question. Sort the angle from largest to smallest. Efren. Sort the angle from largest to smallest. Okay, very good. We have angle A, angle C, and angle B. Now, sort the sides naman from longest to shortest. Masamo. Okay, any question? Again, what do you think is the longest side? Iha? Oh, how to identify the longest side? Identify first the larger angle. What is the larger angle again? Angle A. And what is the opposite of angle A? Therefore, segment BC will be the longest side. Question. Oh, another example. Oh, given triangle, what is the name? Triangle HGI. Okay, the question is, give the longest side. How to identify the longest side? Identify first the larger. Oh, what is the larger angle? Anyone? Masbang? Angle I. Now, if angle I is the larger angle, irin ko, what is the longest side? If this is the larger angle, what is the longest side? Segment HG. Bakit HG, anak? Kasi mauuna yung 51, sumunod ang 59. Or pwede rin GH. They are equal lang naman. Question. Do you understand? Okay, another example. Oh, what is the name of the given triangle? BAC. Oh, given triangle BAC, identify the longest side. Yeah? Oh, how to identify the longest side? Identify first the larger angle. Oh, anak tayo, what is the larger angle? Angle C. If angle C is the larger angle, what is the opposite of angle C? Segment BA. Therefore, segment BA is the longest side. Any question about the angle side relationship theorem? Okay.